Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're watching a Ritter Bit Will Do, and I was just looking at this crooked tree. I can't understand how it would grow like that. It's kind of weird. Oh, here's the problem. Oh, that's what's wrong. We're going to take care of that. Stick around. I'm putting the new four-wheeler to work. As you can see, I got a trailer hooked up, right? Look at this. I told you that I had an ATV trailer when I did my four-wheeler video. I don't have a receiver thing for it, so I'm actually using, you know, as long as I don't turn too sharp, that'll be just fine. But anyway, this is my ATV four-wheeler trailer. I've had this for a long time. Bought it at an auction for $100, right? That was a steal of a deal then. So yeah, I just held on to it because it was a good deal. But we've got a crooked tree to handle. So we've got the old Echo CS590 Timberwolf chainsaw. I absolutely love that chainsaw. Thank you, Homestead Jay. You're the guy that told me I should probably buy one of those. And I did. I love the thing. It's awesome. All right, we're going to cut this thing down. It's kind of, yeah, it's at an angle. It's weird. Let's hope nothing goes wrong. Well, I almost fixed it. It's not at such a crooked angle anymore. It's almost straight up and down. So maybe it'll come back to life. We've reached an angle that I don't feel comfortable going any farther. And doing what I was doing isn't all that safe in the first place. What a person should do is, if you have something to pull out the bottom of the tree, hook it up, put a chain on it, rope, whatever, cable, and pull it out and get it free from that. So guess what? That's what we're going to have to do, because we're out of options at this point. So that's the next step. Yeah, I could have unhooked the trailer of the four-wheeler and pulled it with the four-wheeler. That wouldn't have been a problem. But you saw that I didn't have a receiver thingamabobber on there, and I had to go back to get a chain anyway. And the tractor was there. And why not use a tractor when you can? You guys understand that, right? You guys understand. If you have an option to use a tractor over anything, I choose tractor. If you have another answer, you're watching the wrong channel. Yeah, that's all I can tell you. What I'm going to do is, yeah, it isn't dead yet. It's kind of green. But we're going to throw it on the fire. We're going to make a whole lot of smoke, and we're going to get rid of some of these branches. that's getting hot. Oh yeah. Yowzers. There, we got a rip roaring fire now. So that's one of those situations that, like I said before, you should pull the bottom of the tree out, because a lot of dangerous things could happen if you don't know what you're doing. Not that I know what I'm doing. I mean, look at, I didn't even wear chainsaw chaps. So make sure that you wear chainsaw chaps. I just plumb forgot. Sorry about that. Next time I'll probably forget again, but one of these times I might remember. That's it for this one, you guys. Hit that thumbs up button, please, if you learn anything from my channel. Sometimes I do. And until next time, everyone, keep on tractoring, and God bless.